to see heaven, I will make your knees singing, so my heart's all vacant. My mind's on some take shit, break shit, break shit. Hit your broad day shit, facelift braces, unsolved cases, and end up the witnesses, so can't nobody say shit. I think the Reaper calling, picked up the phone and said I got a couple coming, cause blood in my eye and I'm thirsty for them. But I think we up for show me walking up heaven stuff. Gotta get away, Robert bitch chillin' in the stove. Paroli with a 40 that'll take what you owe. And some no earn, and the last thing your ass wanna hear is these words.
Hey, watch out!
Guns are in the trunk. Think they couldn't get us? Never. The white OJ in the hallway, the long full spray, one leg up on the velour gray. Getting shrouded while I'm in
car, asshole.
We fuck you up so bad that you will never take a normal doodle. Over PP, bedridden.
Motherfucker, I'ma take it, but I'm trying to erase it, just to bring home the bacon. For me to see heaven, I will make your knees singing, so my heart's all vacant. My mind's on some take shit, break shit, break shit. Hit your broad day shit, facelift braces. Motherfucker, I'ma take it, but I'm trying to erase it, just to bring home the bacon. For me to see heaven, I will make your knees singing, so my heart's all vacant. My mind's on some take shit, break shit, break shit. Hit your broad day shit, facelift braces, unsolved cases, and end up the witnesses, so can't nobody say shit. I think the Reaper calling, picked up the phone and said I got a couple coming. Blood in my eye and I'm thirsty for them. But I pay for you for show, be walking up heaven stuff. Gotta get away, driver bitch chillin' in the stove.
Hey, you don't see me driving here?
Cause I'm no earn, and the last thing your ass wanna hear is these words.
They seen us. Guns are in the trunk. What are we gonna do? They seen us. Guns are in the trunk. Think they couldn't get us? Never.
Look out!
Full spray, one leg up on the velour gray. Getting shrouded while I'm eating strudel. We fuck you up so bad that you will never take a normal doodle. Over PB, bedridden. Now I'm laughing while head is giving. No fucks are given ever, cause I'm right into the core. Yeah, right into the door. Cross the street when you see us by the
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages.
Okay, now a quick review from our resident car guy and Virgin Fed, who's going to tell us a little bit more about the Classe Yosemite. Take it away, dude.
Only in America we have the rights to put a huge displacement V8 engine inside a vehicle meant to carry pigs and hay bales. We also love driving around in oval-shaped tracks for 500 times in said vehicles. In America, we like big cars made of cheap plastic that might look good from the outside, but share 90% of the components with shit we made 20 years ago. Meet the Classe Yosemite, a uniquely American creation that says fuck you to your MPG-conscious hybrids from Japan. What's the problem if it only gets 6 MPGs? Our gas is less than half the price of most other countries, but we still like to complain about how expensive it is. This truck is not only good at holding and racing though, it's also great at being lowered to the ground by mirror park hipsters that are just waiting for you to make fun. The Classe Yosemite, 3 imperial tons of American culture.
Thanks, Fed.
This next tune is from MC Mac, so stay in your car.
Yeah, be safe, guys.
This song is unspeakably hard.
no fucking sense. That was your fault.
What's up, people? You are now tuned into the lab. What's good, Los Santos? The lines are lighting up. We're going to the phones.
Hey, Chemical, bro. Hey, Dr. No.
Hey.
This show has really helped me understand the universe, how we all like chemical beings made of carbon and shit, like a pimp.
Word. It's true.
My friends say you guys drug addicts battling through the science.
Nah, man, this is just science. We are scientists.
He is wearing a lab coat, like Copernicus. My friend, what is your name?
This thing talk about black holes and reefer revving up and right. I'm still consumed by murdering brains. This sound has to go. Hey,
Yo, man. Just relax. See, science has the answers. We have the answers. When Sir Isaac Newton discovered electricity while flying a kite asleep under a tree, he soon realized something mind-blowing.
Yeah, that a grown-ass man shouldn't fly kites.
That's right. You are now listening to the lab.
Ben Franklin, you dumbass.
This is MNTR, and you are in the lab with Dr. No and the Chemical Bro. Check out my new song Lock and Load with
get you, bro.
You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. You are all the same. This racist insulted me.
Hey, what's up, fool? Who you calling a nigga?
No, I'm not calling nobody a nigga.
Wait, what the fuck?
I mean, N-word. That's not cool, man. I don't say that.
You fucking right, and you better keep it right, because this man right here, he's an international businessman, a multiculturalist.
That I could not have said better myself. But seriously, maybe he's not a racist. But I don't think that he is man enough for a car like this.
Wait a second.
This guy right here.
So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel and show me.
Sure, okay.
How about we fall through, homie?
Excellent. Now, listen to the quality of the stereo.
Can a low come up in your crib?
Man, fuck you. I'll see you at work.